This is me unboxing the Vacmaster. It's a drying contraption. It's called the air remover. So I want to use it particularly for sharpening, blowing the dust away from when you sharpen knives and tools with a belt sander. There's quite a bit of metal dust. I'll still be using a respirator, but I think this will just get rid of a lot of the dirt. Well, don't get rid of it, it'll just blow it away somewhere else so that I don't have to deal with it. That's the instruction manual that comes with it. That's me struggling to understand how a box works. Yes, let's go away. No, take the other thing out. Yes, good job. I'm learning. There we go. I did it. Throw the box somewhere and show you. There it is. Okay, that's the cord. Nice industrial thick gauge. I don't know what thick gauge means. It's better. There's a plug on it, an extra plug point, little reset button, 3 level blowing capacity. It comes with a little Velcro strap and a little plastic thing. Let's plug it in. This was unintentional to blow the thing into the microphone, but it does kind of prove a point that I'm struggling to understand how to make you to demonstrate how effectively it can blow. So at this point I'm trying to figure out what. Oh yes, I can use a hairband. My wife's hairband. No, I have to understand how to do this properly. Okay, demonstrate like a proper person. Okay, now I'm walking around looking for something, trying to look for something that can actually be demonstrated. Let's hope I find something soon. Hey, a paper towel, good job. Yes, it can blow. That's number 2. There we go. It's very blowy. Number 3 is even more blowier, and it blows the little plastic good plastic thingy away. Very good. Switching it off. Moving it around, noticing the black marks. The feet make these weird black marks. Feet are not, it's not great rubber. It sort of lets the whole product down a bit, but I like this product a lot, except for these little garbage feet. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that. Okay, so I'll clean it up with, comes off pretty easy. My IKEA table is now nice and clean again. That I don't know. Okay, now it's turning into a cleaning video. Okay, so we've got the paper towel because it marks the feet are garbage, but I love this product. It's level 1 is very good. There's no other adjustments that you can make. You can apparently store it like that. take a picture of this. 24 watts, meaning it eats battery. So if you do like that, yeah, the 3 is that's a little piece of I like it. So what I'm needing it for is to blow when I'm doing knife sharpening. I need it to just blow the majority. I'll still be wearing a respirator, but majority of that. I just needed to blow the majority of the metal dust away. Bought a little fan. This one, it didn't have enough oomph. It's a nice enough little fan. Stroller fan. I'll put a link to it. It's quite a cool little fan. It's got the sort of Gorilla Jobby grip. All sorts of cool stuff. 3 power, but it wasn't. For me, this is gonna do. This was £50. It's $49.99. £50. But for my purposes, I think it's great. I like that it's got an extra plug there. It's quite a cool extra feature. There's obviously a little override. If it trips out, a reset. 1, 2, 3. I don't think you should put it like that. You could, but I don't think you should. It's sort of just, I think that's just the handle. I suppose if it's the handle, it's strong enough to stand on it. Which might actually be one of the ways I would potentially be using it. Some little piece of plastic just popped out. I don't know what that was about. I think it's just from the molding process. It didn't sound like it broke anything. I like it. £50. For me, that's going to work a treat. I like this machine. It's a go.